2 more firearms and several rounds of ammunition seized. Members of the Joint Anti-Gang Task Force seized another firearm and 57 assorted rounds of ammunition in Marverly, St. Andrew on Saturday, June 4th. The weapon appears to have been disassembled for cleaning. Reports are that around 4 p.m., one 6 Sawyer 9mm pistol, along with 6 magazines, 48 9mm rounds, and 9 7.62 AK-47 rounds were recovered from an open area on the premises of an abandoned building. The task force also recovered another firearm and several rounds of ammunition in Rose Heights, St. James on Friday, June 3. Reports are that one Walter Creed 9mm pistol, along with an empty magazine and 9 12-gauge cartridges, were recovered from a vegetated area in the vicinity of a gully during an afternoon operation.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!